This is like the tourist area. This is the train. So over there cannot see, but it's the waterfall.
I photo both.
Okay, so I'm at the train track. Hi.
Hi.
So this is at Shifen. I need.
Hi.
Let's go.
Stop taking video of yourself.
Why? I want to take a video of myself.
Hi, so as you can see, this is the 施肥
Shifen.
This is a 施分铺. We are on the way to see 施分铺. Yes, you can see there are a lot of travelers around. They just came back from the waterfall. They're so happy. This tough journey will take I don't know how long. All I wish for is that our motorbikes to be safe.
Yeah.
Yes. And,
We had a hard time. No, I had a hard time though.
yes.
Because first time trying, no, second time actually trying a motorbike. Yeah. Oh, that's hilarious, seriously. Had an accident, I hit Aini legs. Shit, man. Super sorry, Aini. Sorry, Aini.